The Federal Capital Territory Administration has flagged off distribution of agricultural inputs to farmers in the Capital Territory. Abuja and its environs have in recent times been hit by devastating floods, resulting to destruction of several farmlands and produce. As part of efforts to mitigate the losses suffered by the farmers, agricultural inputs such as rice, cowpea, oil palm seedlings, among others, were distributed to them by the FCT Administration. Flagging off the exercise in Kuje Area Council of the FCT, Permanent Secretary FCT Administration Christian Ohaa restated the commitment of the administration to support the agricultural sector.
About 2 years ago, we witnessed the devastating effects of flooding and erosion in Federal Capital Territory, which adversely affected our hard-working farmers in rural areas and negatively impacted their sources of revenue. This year, we have provided funding to the committee for the procurement of a variety of agricultural inputs to help the farmers in rebuilding their lost investments.
Last year, some farm inputs and seedlings were distributed to help ameliorate the condition of the farmers, and I want to assure them that most of those seedlings are doing very well on the field, and these seedlings will help reduce and minimize the damage on our farm.
The farmers who couldn't contain their joy were quick to appreciate the government intervention.
I appreciate FCT Administration. We thank God for everything. May God continue giving them what they will give the mercy, and may God continue give them long life.
Government now good.
There are indications that the FCT authorities will extend the intervention which started in 2018, capturing over 3,000 farmers to its 6 area councils. Paulun David, CNN News.